How to undo a purl stitch. When you've accidentally purled a stitch instead of knitting it, you'll need to know how to undo the wrong stitch. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Insert your left needle into the front of the stitch just below the last one you made on the right needle. Slip this stitch onto your left hand needle and release it from the right hand needle. Gently pull the working yarn. Let's undo another purl stitch. Insert your left needle into the stitch on the right needle below the last stitch you made. Slip this stitch onto your left hand needle and slip it off your right hand needle. Gently pull the working yarn. You can undo either a single purl stitch this way, or you could use this method to undo an entire row. Once all the incorrect stitches are undone, pull your working yarn tight and you're ready to continue knitting.